Hey guys, it's Pragyan and welcome to it. From now onwards, I'll be maintaining a Java course called the Java Challenge. In this particular challenge, I'll be teaching you how to program in Java. Now, this is aimed at both the experienced and the beginner people. You see, for the beginner people, it'll help you understand the basic concepts behind what exactly means to program in Java. As far for people that have prior experience in Java, well, it may help you as a refreshment course over what you might have learned before but now have forgotten. Now let's try to answer some of the most common questions that occur during a Java beginner's life. So what exactly is Java? Well, Java is an object-oriented programming language which was originally developed by Sun Microsystems, but now it belongs to the Oracle. The next popular question is, where exactly is Java being used? It's 2020 and everyone is using Python. Well, guess what? Not everything runs on Python. You actually have Java in way more places than you can actually imagine. You see, Java is thoroughly being used in Android apps, and if you have a look at it, Android apps share a gigantic market throughout the software engineering world. So if you want to take on Android, you need Java. And we can talk about the Kotlin too, which is a newer alternative, actually wannabe alternative for the Java language, but it's still years before Kotlin can actually replace Java. The next important question is, why particularly Java? You see, Java was originally built as an object-oriented language, and that is why the paradigm is extremely important. Also, one of the most important facts of learning Java properly is that if you learn to program Java properly, you can have an extremely high advantage when you're going to Python or C++ or even C#. In fact, those people who know Java can actually program in C++ and C# in a pretty high degree. And the last question is, how to learn Java? Well, for that I'm here for you guys. If you want to learn Java, just go through my playlist, and I'll be continuing this playlist on a regular basis, and also I'll be posting the source code to each particular tutorial. Also, if you have any particular doubts regarding any part of Java, feel free to ask me in the comments. Now that we all have known why particularly there exists a language called Java, let's get into it. And guys, make sure to like, subscribe and share my channel, because knowledge should be free. Knowledge should be available for anyone, and if you have any friend who's likely to learn Java, well, you might as well provide my course too, because it may help more people.